New phone, old car. Well, I found this great little gadget that will allow you to take the music, podcasts, audiobooks from your phone and play it on your old car radio. This is a great little gadget from Gizmo Guy. You can also make hands-free phone calls and use the GPS function loudly and clearly on your radio. Take the dongle that comes with your phone, connect it to the gadget, connect that to your phone, and just simply turn on your radio. Make sure it's at 87.9. You hear the static? Turn on the gadget. Wait for the static to go away. It's gone. And now you can play your podcast.
Dr. Lair and I are very excited to be introducing to you the Vibrational Success Series of
loud and
transformational
clear.
products.
To play some music. Again, beautifully clear. Now, to make a phone call. Hey Siri, call Barbary Coast.
Calling Barbary Coast. Home.
And she can hear it's nice and clear.
Thank you for calling Barbary Coast Dispensary located at 952 Mission Street between 5th and 6th Street in San Francisco. We are
Okay, it sounds like they're closed. Let's try the GPS function. Hey Siri, take me to Golden Gate Bridge.
Getting directions to Golden Gate Bridge. Starting route to Golden Gate Bridge.
Again,
Head southeast on El Camino del Mar.
it's loud and clear. So with this little gadget, you can very easily use all the functions from your phone and play it on your old car radio. Again, that's GizmoGuyGadgets.com.